Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve worksheet 27, subject mathematics, and date is 7 October 2021, class 6. Here you need to write your name and here your class teacher's name. So today we will study about introduction, practical geometry, perpendicular lines. So we will study about the perpendicular lines in this video, introduction. Two lines which intersect each other at right angles or 90 degrees are called perpendicular lines. Example can be line segments of letter L forms a right angle, corners of a book or paper. So what is a perpendicular line? It is just like an intersecting line which intersects lines at one point, but over here the lines intersect each other at a 90-degree angle, right angle. You can see over here and over here and over here. All these are 90 degrees angle present here in which the line is intersecting each of them. And you can see L over here. What is this in L? You can see this big right angle over here. So this is present in the L, and that is why we call these perpendicular lines. They intersect the other line, the two lines which intersect each other at a 90-degree angle or a right angle are known as perpendicular lines. So now we study how to draw perpendicular lines. To draw a perpendicular line at the given point on a line with the help of a ruler and set square. So you can see we are going to draw a perpendicular line through the ruler and the set square. We have studied about these in the previous videos. So step 1 is draw a line L with the help of a ruler and mark a point P onto that line. So you can see we have drawn this line over here L and marked it with the point P over here. And now bring ruler and right angle set square to point P like this. You can see in this one step over here, and simply draw the line PQ with the help of your set square and the ruler. So PQ is perpendicular to line L. So we can also write it as PQ is perpendicular to L. Alright, what this is saying, now you can see we have brought these together. So simply we will draw one line here and that will be a perpendicular line. We can say that PQ is perpendicular to line L. Now to draw a line at given point on the line with the ruler with the help of a ruler and a compass. So first step is draw the line first of all and place the point P onto that line. You can see in step 1. Then second step is place your compass on this point which is P here, or if it is A, B, C, D, anywhere on the line you have to place it there, and taking P as center and any radius, draw two arcs intersecting the line L at point A and B. So for point A and B we have to draw two arcs like these over here with the help of our compass. Then next step is with same radius and from point A and B, mark an arc above or below the line. Repeat it from point B, cutting the previous arc at point Q. Now you can see we will do the third step, that is we will take this from point A, we will draw one arc like this. From point B we will draw another arc like this, and this will form our point Q, which will be the part of PQ. Then now the fourth step, you can see with the help of a ruler join the points P and Q. Simply we will join them, and now our perpendicular line is ready. Now let's come down and let's see what is given here. So this is stating us to draw a perpendicular line to the given line from a point outside the line with the help of a ruler and compass. So now we have to draw the perpendicular line with the ruler and the compass only, but in the previous one we were having point P over here, but now we have point P outside of the line. Now let's see how will we do it. So draw a line L with the help of a ruler and place point P on outside. We all can do it. You can see in step 1 it has done. This is line L and then this is point P over here. Then second is place the compass on point P and draw a semicircle intersecting the line L at point A and B. Now we have to take the pointer at point P we are having here, and then we have to draw two arcs like we did in previous one, like this for A and B, taking it as a radius. Semicircle intersecting like this. From each point A and B, draw arcs on the opposite side of the line L from point P intersecting each other at point Q. Alright, now same we have to do here. Draw arcs at the opposite side, not at P. Okay, so we'll draw all arcs at opposite side here, and then this becomes our point Q here. Then simply join these two and your perpendicular line is ready. Now questions are also given to us in the let's do part. So let's start to solve them. First question, first question is draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. Take a point R on it. Draw a perpendicular MN to the line segment passing through point R. Okay, now how will we do it? First of all, we need to draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. So if we come here, this is our compass and this is our ruler. Now let's see how can we draw. So first let's draw the line segment of 6 centimeters here like this, and it is made. Now what to do? Now let us see what will we do. So now you can see this is our line segment, and what will we name it here? We will name it line segment. So now you can see we have to take the point R on this line, and then we have to draw a perpendicular line MN to it. So if we take this back here, you can see the center point over here is this one. You can see this point at 3. Yeah, so we will just mark up a point here and we can name this point as R. So just a second, let me do it with the red color so it will be nicely visible. So here we have our point R. Now we have to draw the line segment, so we can keep aside the ruler for now and let's bring in the compass. Now what will we do with this compass? So let's resize this compass. Alright, now what to do is this, that first we will draw two arcs onto this, cutting like the A and B point, that which is very necessary over here. So let's say I draw one arc over here and one arc over here. So one arc over here. Alright, now once I have drawn these, I will draw another one. So let us turn, and now we come to this side. So on this side what we can see, let's again extend this and let's come over. So now we will draw the lines, the arc over here also like this. Alright, now you can see we have drawn these two arcs, so we can keep our compass aside for now. And now what we need to do is we can name these points as point A and B. So this one will be point A here and the other one here will be point B. Now again take our compass in with us. So this is our compass and let me extend it. Okay, so now I bring it to point A and you can see over here we have the point here. So just a second. Yeah, so this is our compass and I bring it to point A. Now what to do? Now we will see that we will draw the arcs above this which cut this. So simply just draw one arc like this over here, this, and we can draw it again like this. Alright, now this is big, so now we can come to the next side and now we can do it for point number B. So let us come on this side. Just a second. So now we come to point B and again we will start to draw another arc from here. Okay, so this is our this. Now we will draw this. Okay, so let's start. Let's again make one arc from here intersecting this arc. Alright, so this arc is made. Now what to do is simply we will connect these with the lines, but before this you can see we also have to mark the perpendicular line, that is MN. MN, so that means this point we can say it as the initial point, that is point M, and this point over here if we come down, So simply we will draw a straight line here. Alright, and we can name this point of the line as N. So we get this perpendicular line, that MN over here, that is perpendicular to point R. Now if we come to the second question, this is draw a line segment of 8 cm, take a point S outside it, draw a perpendicular XY to the line X segment from point S. Now again same steps, we have to draw the line of 8 cm first of all. So we can come down and we can drag our scale and ruler with us. Now let us come down and we have to draw the line of 8 cm for this. So first of all, let's quickly draw the line. So this is our line and we will draw it over here of 8 centimeters. Now what to do? Now you can see, if we have to see, we have to draw, we have to make a point S on the outside. So let us say if I take it in the center, let us say over here, this is our ruler, and you can see we are having here, so 0.4, so let's make a S over here. Let's say S over here. Now this is the point S. What to do now? Simply we will take in the compass and put it at point X. So like this, we put it over here. Okay, and now simply we will draw the line. How? See, I have put this at point X, and now we will draw the arcs of our circle, of our line. So how do we do that? We extend this first of all, and then we can go up here, up, and then we can come down with it. Alright, so one arc over here. Now another one we can take is for point A. This is here, and now we will draw the line again. So just a second. Yeah, so now it is drawn. And now what we can do, oh just a second, so yeah, now what to do? Now you can see our points are made, so we can name them as, what points we had to name them? Yeah, we can name them as A and B. So let us go here with A and let's go here with B. Now again we take our compass with us and again we put it on B and A and B respectively. So first we will keep it on point A and then we will draw an arc, okay, an arc big enough to intersect. So like this. Then again now we will keep it at point B over here and we turn it back like this and again we draw an arc. Just a second, let me go down. Yeah, so now we draw an arc and now you can see we can name this as what? We have to name it as X and Y. That is going to be our perpendicular line. So how do we do it? Yeah, so this point we will take this as X. So we can take this as the X. Just a second. Yeah, so this is the point X here. And now we have to simply connect these 2 points here. So we connect it like this, X and Y over here. This is Y. And this is our perpendicular line made. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.